All right, so I just got this in the mail. This is the company. It's high accuracy measurement. Huh. Oh, look at that. Almost 200 feet for a transmission. It's a wireless pool thermometer. Oh, this should be interesting. So it looks like it's 2 pieces of stuff. Here comes this. And then there's another one in here. All right, those are the 2 pieces. What do you got directions. Gives you the directions. This is thanks for the purchase. You can do a QR code. Troubleshooting. Bam, done. All right, let's take a look and see what we got. I think we might have to charge it, or maybe not. It's got a string on it. So this just goes in the water. And that's kind of interesting. And what do we got here? And here's the other part. So you got to put some batteries in it. I don't know if there's batteries in it or not. Okay, so there's no batteries in it. So it doesn't come with batteries. Dang it. And it looks like they're AAAs. So we got to put 2 AAAs in there. That's next. All right, so the negative side goes towards the spring, right? And get those in there. Boop, boop. And then this right here goes this way. I think it will. Let me just snap it in. And bam, Bob's your uncle. We got to peel the head off. All right, look. 77 degrees in here. And I don't, is there batteries in this thing? I don't know. So, this does have batteries in it. You got to unscrew it like that. Pull this off. Pull this off. And there's your battery case right there. Static electricity. All right, so you need AAA batteries. So they go like this. One there. And one here. Remember, negative side to the spring. Okay, now we're ready to go. Now we got to slip it in like this. You see? So you need the contacts on the top, and you need this part facing this electrode. So this is going to slide. This is going to slide right in there. Like that. See that? Once I do that, I'm good. Now I'm going to take this, and I got to put this in there. Now you're going to notice there's a little clicky thing here and a little thing here. So that's got to go in there, right? See them? Right here and right here. Match that up. Once you got that on there, look, you get the thing. Then you got to put your glass on, and it's got a. If you look, it's got like a silicone seal here, so that's what keeps it from, getting wet. And then here, you just screw this on. All right, there we are, 71. So now I can take this and I can go throw this in the pool, and supposedly it'll show up on here. So you can change it from centigrade to Fahrenheit too, watch. I'm gonna go back to Fahrenheit. And yeah, so shall we? I'm gonna leave this in here. I'm gonna go throw this in the pool. Yeah, see how it works. All right, you can see I coming out here, it's super hot. It's 80 degrees. But we're gonna go ahead and put her in the pool, and then we'll see what it tells us. Here's the pool, and supposedly, we're less than 200 feet away, so it should show us the temperature. And it's saying 78.4. So, let's get a little closer and see if it broadcasts to this. I might have to clear this first. Look, it's moving quick. Let's see what it says on there. So on here it's saying 90 degrees. Let's clear this. All right, so I hit this, and it's showing 90.5 and 83.1. So that's the outside. So it can tell me what the high and the low was for the day. I don't know what, oh, there it is, 90.5. So that must be the pool. All right, whoops. So let's set that there, and that must be inside the house. Man, it's hot in here. So if you look, definitely 90.5, so that must be it. All right, let's check it out, 90.5. Yep, that's exactly what it is out there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.